Salute and welcome to Wild Country Daily Updates. Um, I'm reporting on this. This is from Weather Action. This article is from Weather Action PA. I'm reporting on this because I want to let you guys know, if anyone's from Pennsylvania that sees this, be prepared because they are expecting a cold front, meaning storms. And I guess now we got levels to it. We got level 1 and level 2, which to me sounds like a plan. It sounds like some sort of plan. Like each state has levels to winter or towards tornadoes or towards hurricanes. It's almost like a plan, like a disaster plan. But I don't know. That's besides the point. The point is I want to let you guys know that they are expecting storms to come rolling in Monday, which is tomorrow, I guess, unless they mean next Monday, but it might be tomorrow. After a few days of exponential warmth for late March, a cold front will come crashing through Monday. But don't be discouraged. We will still see some very mild days in the next week. A few thunderstorms will also reach western PA late Sunday evening into early Monday morning. Some of those storms may be strong to severe near the Ohio border. Then it goes on to say another round of thunderstorms is possible later this week before winter makes one last stand the second week of April. Don't be surprised to see some flakes. Oh my goodness. Flying during that period. Like, yeah, we need snowflakes. Oh my goodness. So definitely keep your winter coat around for now. It goes on to say a low pressure pushing through Ontario and Quebec will be responsible for Monday's cold front, and we will have some instability out ahead. This will create an opportunity for gusty winds and very isolated hail, and perhaps a tornado. The damaging wind threat shouldn't be downplayed, as it can lead to power outages as seen a few weeks ago in the Alleghenies. These words. Um, it goes on to say models have slightly different timing and outputs. Be on the lookout from the early afternoon through the evening. Guidance has storms developing near I-80-81. Below is a look at the HRR future radar. So there's your radar. If anybody wants to look at the rest of this article, I'm going to leave the link to this article in the description. Um, like I said, I'm just reporting this to anybody that may live in Pennsylvania and maybe they didn't get the news yet. So here it is, or the update. So just be prepared if you see this. And until next time, peace out.